Why is YouTube complaining again? Testing, testing. Oh, is YouTube still complaining? Oh, it works. Nice, 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 nice. Let's see Twitch. Okay, let's get some stuff downloaded. First of all, this. Pretty sure. Actually, you know what? Let's test. Arduino ID. Can I download the stuff now? Oh my god, it works. Oh my god, it works. LCD. Fuck it. It's probably already there. So we have this. And we need... Come on, is there no example for this? Why are we in more? Okay. Liquid. Liquid, can I do it here? Outside? Probably, right? Liquid crystal LCD equals liquid crystal. I think I can do it. Right. Let's get these brackets out. I don't think I need that. Now we need the pin numbers. Arduino pin out. Oh right. 18, 19. Which one was which? Anyone remember? Oh, hold on. Actually, we have changed that. We have our S, which is pretty sure the yellow one. Whoops. The yellow one, so 18, 19. What's enable? Enable would be 8. 8. Then we have start at 0. Okay. I was getting worried for a second. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't like this IDE, I'm not gonna lie, bruh. Let's see. Okay, let's just do a little bit of trolling. Paste. Let's get this at least partially. And can I plug this in? Come on. There you go. Now I need to push this display out. There we go. So I can actually upload it, because these pins are getting used to upload it too. Oh, I need to select the board. That's funny. Arduino. This search box is fucking useless. Uno. Show all ports. How is this not? Okay, can I save this? Oh my god, please don't make this a folder. Oh my god, I have so much stuff in here. Nope, cloud. Cloud projects. Stream. No, random. Random, this one. Save. What the fuck? What the fuck was that? Help. Now I need to... no IDE, let's start it again. Can I zoom out? Yeah, let's go. Beautiful white bar. Right, I need to... Oh no. Maybe not. Maybe just wait. What is it calculating? What is it thinking right now? Who knows? Probably thinking, what the fuck kind of bullshit ass code is this? He's just trying to do a hello world for an LCD. Why is he doing this? Hello, test. I guess we will try again. Oh, there we go. Can I? Yep, it already found it. I love it. Can I upload it? Permission denied. I see the problem. So let's sudo arduino that no dash ID. That's not it. Super secret password. Oh, yep, fail. Nice one. Nice one, bozo. Sudo change own /dev /tty acm. Oh, probably here. Mer : mer. Why did I close this? I need to reopen it. Or at least it works now. Let's see. Oh my god, it works. Done uploading. Holy. My camera's down. Please tell me my internet isn't down. Nope. Seems fine. Close one, dude. Okay, we push back in the display. And we will take a pen to press the reset button. That didn't do anything. Well, at least the problem... Wait, what? I am so stupid. There's no way, dude. Look at this. It says hello world here. I fucked it. I was debugging so long, I thought it was the backlight, not the... Oh my god. Oh my god, you can actually see it. It's... I debugged for like an entire day last stream. What? Where's my screwdriver? Where did I put it? Holy shit, this is insane. Guys, watch this. I'm gonna do some dark magic. It's not working. No, it is. Why? Bro, this is a scam. Holy shit. I was debugging so long. Also, I hate these types of screws. They always just slip off. Oh, now it's gone. There's a fine balance. Okay, that's more visible. More visible. I think it's getting less visible. Yeah, we need to dial this back. Oh, I slipped again. Ooh, yeah. All that time into contrast. Yes! Bro, this debugging. Bruh. Bruh. The contrast. I hate my life. Okay, let's see. What happens if we press reset? Do we get a white bar for like a second so we can see what happens? Okay, nothing happens. Love it. Let's plug it out and plug it in. I understand the pain, yes. Well, at least I'm not alone. Okay, just immediately shows this. Now, how about we go back to our actual code? How do I increase the... There we go. Maybe not that far. Cloud projects random. Whatever the fuck did I call this? Oh, cd code main.c. Okay. Now, do you think this will clear the display? AVR-GCC. What? I jumped back in time too far. GCC. This one. OBJ. Dude. I don't think we need a sudo anymore. Oh, we do. Hold on. Super secret password. No one knows. It was the wrong password. And now we don't need the password. I am a genius. Okay. This didn't change anything. What? Yeah, still didn't change anything. What does 0f do? Control Shift S? No. Control Shift H. Was it? Yeah. Last 7 days. Let's see. Somewhere we have the correct PDF. Is there like a date attached to this? What the fuck is happening? Why is it scrolling? Hello? Stop it. Okay, stopped. No, it didn't stop. What? Oh, it stopped because it's at the end. Okay. Let's see. It was some sort of PDF. This one? Yeah, this looks good. Table of commands. Wait, what did we send? 0F. Display on off. So set display cursor C B. I don't know. Do I have a clear display? It's a 1. How about we send a 1? Oh, we are sending a 1. Let's send a 1 again. What am I doing differently? Hello? It's not doing anything. You know what? Maybe it wasn't a contrast fault. Do I have to do a little of this? Do a little of this? Do a little of this? Wait, what does clear display do? Write H00 to DDRAM and set DDRAM address 00. 00 to DDRAM. Display data. This relationships between DDRAM addresses positions on a liquid crystal display. You know, if we send a different display thing after this. Huh. I would like to know if the setup works. How do I check this? Let's go into this. We had some... Right, clear. What's this? Clear CLCD and points. Let's see. What does this do for clear? Clear. This command takes a long time. Okay, it's our last command, so that shouldn't be a problem. LCD function set. Let's see, what is command doing? Send. That's... Bro, I love these wrapper functions and wrapper functions. Please give me more of those. Okay, send has... read write. Set it low to write. Pretty sure I'm doing that. Read write high. Bruh. What? Write operation. Read write low. Am I working with the wrong fucking datasheet? There is no way, right? What's this one called? QA pass. That's not what I'm looking for, is it? Let's... How do I get this thing out? Let's unplug it and try to get this thing off. Ooh, how's the circuit going? Well, you see. You remember the problem where nothing was displaying? Turns out I just had the contrast potentiometer to the wrong value and everything was white. So that was a funny fix. But now I still don't... I am suspecting that I'm working with the wrong datasheet. So 1602A. 1602A datasheet. Come on, give me something. Wait, that's the one I'm currently using, isn't it? 1602A. So what the fuck is this thing doing? Set it low to right. Wait, am I stupid? Yeah, low to right, never mind. I just read the pin wrong, apparently. I just don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Always good. Okay, let me... How the fuck do I get that back in there? Also, what the fuck happened to my pin header? Hello? Are you guys seeing this? We need to put this back on. Ooh, let's go. Okay, now we need to somehow figure this get this thing back in there and get... Oh boy. This was an unnecessary step. Okay, now we need to get the pins in the... Hold on, I need to do this off camera. Oh, these pins go really nicely. Oh, these do not. Or do they? Who knows? Oh, I think I got it. Let's check this side. You are way too deep, holy shit. I need to bend some cables back. Okay, we're looking good, we're looking good. Now, why in the goddamn fuck did I set this pin too high? Huh? Someone explain this to me. Riddle me this. Riddle me that. But E needs to pulse high, right? Yes. Okay. Sometimes my brain just doesn't work. Okay, we plug it in. We go here. We change ownership again because I just want the password once. Hold on, did I write this? Now we will compile, copy, and upload. Hey, hello world is gone. How did that happen? Who knows? Okay, I think I need to push this down again so we get the pins clear. Nice. Okay, display is clear. But it was clear before, so that doesn't really help us, does it? But luckily we have the check over here. Come on. I believe in you. You can load. Do I need to click somewhere? Press escape. Right click? No? Okay. And it's fucking gone. And we will just restart it. Come on. know you are thinking, but I need you to stop. I need you to... Why is there a bot in my chat again? Every day. Unbelievable. Kick, get your platform under control. Okay, apparently we don't have that. I don't care. Let's just see if we can write something. Yeah. So, how about... What kind of commands do we have, huh? Display on and off function. Set the DRAM address. Pretty sure we are already at 0. Oops. What? What is this? Why is it highlighted? Delete. Fancy. Write data to RAM. Okay. Just a 1 on the RS pin. And let's see. How do we... There's our thing. Let's do a write RAM. Not rim. Rim is something else. Now we want this actually, hold on. I need to correct my comments. This is low, believe it or not. This is also low, but we need RS high. That would mean for us, hold on, port C would be 4 is high, but 5 is low. So this is 0, this is 8, right? 2, 4, 8, yes. And at the end, we will do port C equals 0x00. And that should be fine, right? Okay, now let's try to write RAM 0x. What do we actually want to write? Character generator. Why do we have two things? Oh, ROM and RAM. Wait, we're writing RAM. I assume we're trying to write RAM. Character generator RAM, CG RAM. In CG RAM, the user character generator RAM. Aha, I know what acronyms mean. The user can rewrite character by program. Wait, we don't want to rewrite the character though. For 5 8 dots, 8 character patterns can be written, and for 5 10 dots, 4 character patterns can be written. Oh, custom characters, I think. Probably this one, right? The CG character generator ROM generate 5 8 dot or 5 10 dot character patterns from 8-bit character codes. See table 2. What is... Oh, table 2. Oh, nice. Oh, no. The fuck is CG RAM doing over here, huh? So, bit 0 to 3. What kind of character are we writing? Let's just write vertical bar. Do we have a vertical bar? Is this a vertical bar? It might be. Looks like it. Well, I'm just gonna use this. So, hold on. That would be... I can't do math. Oh, 7. Right, 7. And... Did you hear that? 7... That's a good question. What the fuck is that, bruh? Hold on, 8 plus 4. 12. So, A, B, C. C. D, E. Yes. C. Wait, bro. I'm so out of practice with this. Let's see. 7, C. Oh, we need to actually underscore delay. That's not an underscore. Underscore delay MS. Let's say 200. What kind of cooldown did we need for a clear display? Actually, we just need 2. Let's do 20 to give it all the time. What? Hello? Keyboard? I need to remove this cable. Hold on. Let's get behind my water bottle. There. No. Not into my PC. There we go. There we go. And compile. Copy. Send. Okay, it didn't do anything. Already loving it. Still doing nothing. Okay. Something is wrong. Hey yo, how are you doing? We will start stealing code again, I guess. So we're gonna start by doing this. Init by cool story, bro. Probably not 4-bit mode, right? Nope. Doing good. Ah, well, you see, I have discovered that this screw was turned the wrong way, or not screwed in enough, which is why we got the white bar of nothingness. Viewers, hey, what's up, dude? You are getting... oh, you're already banned. Damn, you are fast. Where was I? Begin, right? Well, now that we have fixed that, we can actually display text, but only with this library, which is in C++, and I don't know how to join that with C. So we're just gonna see what it does and copy all of it into our code. Also, it helps us learn how everything works, because we can just copy it. Set a row offset. What does this even mean? What? Oh, probably to go to which address is the beginning of which row. For some one-line displays. Nope. Pin mode. RS output. Yes, output, so we have everything output. Do these once. Yes. See page 45 for 46 for initialization specific. This is page 13. I don't know what. According to the datasheet. I don't know what datasheet he has. I want his datasheet. Because my code looks way funnier. We're just trying stuff out. Okay, let's see. Actually, do I need these delays? Oh, let's put them in. Maybe it will help. I don't think so, but who knows? Alright. What else does he do? Okay, according blah blah blah. Now we pull both RS and RW low. I don't even know what RS means. Can we figure out what that abbreviation is? Pin description. RS. Select register selection. That makes sense. Register selections and read-write pin low to begin commands. Are mine low? I don't actually know. The most I know is a little JavaScript. Well, that's more JavaScript than I do. I don't know. Oh, we pull everything low. Okay, that's good. Is enable low? Let's pull that one low too. Everything I know about JavaScript is just use HTMX and you're probably gonna be fine. Okay, still does nothing. Love it. Love to see it. Actually, hold on. Are we writing the wrong address? Let's check that one. High bits, low bits. Okay. 2line00 should table commands set write that to DRAM and set DRAM to 00. Okay. Cursor. I don't know what cursor is. Do we have a cursor? Actually, did I enable the display? How long does that take? Not long, 40 microseconds. Oh yeah, right, I wanted to... What is this doing? It's clearing the display. Let's try to do this. Maybe this will actually enable the display. It didn't do anything. You know what, let's go back to seeing what this guy's doing. Okay, we are pulling everything low. We are also pulling everything low. Okay, so far so good. We are in 8-bit mode. No, we are in 8-bit mode, right? What's this 4-bit stuff? Oh, if exclamation mark. Why would you do that? Okay. Send function set command sequence. What does the command do? I assume it's the same as this wrapper function is driving me insane, dude. Okay. Digital write. RS pin mode. Oh, wait, this wrapper function actually does something, doesn't it? Low. RS pin is our register select, which is high. It is low. Low. Yes. And there is a right pin indicated. Pull that also low. It is also low. Then if display function and 8-bit mode. I think we are on 8-bit. Write 8 bits. How do we write? What? What the fuck? Okay, so apparently we set each bit individually because who the fuck knows? Yeah, I'm not doing that. What are our timings looking like? Pulse. Okay, we set this before the pulse enable. So what are we doing? We set this to data based, and then we set the pulse enable. We wait for a microsecond. What is he doing? Where's pulse enable? Function pulse enable. There we go. Enable pin low. Wait for a microsecond. High. Wait for a microsecond. Low. Wait for 100 microseconds. We have high. Okay, maybe. Why not put it low again? Maybe it decided to change its mind before, you know? Who knows? Okay. This thing is still not loaded. Okay, nice one, bro. What else do we have? Oh, by the way, guys, I contacted the artist. I already have the first sketches. It's looking nice. I ordered a starting, ending, and be right back screen, and like an overlay, like, you know how I have these red kind of cross thing, ugly thing over here. That's gonna be fancy, and I'm gonna get like a chat screen. It's just me sitting and chat like visible on the screen. It's gonna be nice. Where were we? Right, I need to figure out what the fuck is LCD function set. And what is display function? Also, what is this emote you're always sending? Pop Nemo. Twitch global emote. I don't know what this is used for or what it means. I'm just gonna assume it's positive. Let's go. Is it a smiley? Is this guy talk? I don't know. I only know like 5 emotes. Okay, let's see. Do we have... Probably in .h, right? Yeah. Oh, we got all this stuff. Wait, what is display function? Display function? Someone has to set it, right? Oh, 4-bit or 8-bit mode. Yeah, that makes sense. LCD one line. What kind of bit magic is this guy doing? LCD one line. One. Two line is 8. So we have 2 ones in the middle. And what else was there? 8-bit one line, 5 8 dots. Let's see. 8 bits are 1. 2 line. Wait, did we set 2 line? I don't know if we set 2 line. Wait, this is always just 1 line. Hold on. Oh, you can actually also set it to 2 line. Nice one, bro. Wait, what is you? What? Huh? Okay, we set 8-bit mode, 1 line and 5 8 dots, which would be where's the 8-bit mode? 1 on 5. This is nothing, but the 2 line adds 1 on 4. 5 8 dots does nothing. So we have 5 and 4 set. Okay, 5 and 4 is set for some reason. And then we send what's happening? Pin mode, no, not pin mode. Pin mode, no, not pin mode. Yes, this one, please. Okay, if we are in 8-bit mode, we do this. LCD function set. So we have the, what was it, 5 and 4-bit set. And to that we add LCD function. Am I blind? There. A2. So are we doing that? 3 8. What are we sending, huh? What are we doing? Yeah, 3 8. Okay. We are sending the same shit. Nice. So nobody is complaining about our stuff. And after that, okay, delay microseconds. How long do we do? 5,000, 1,000. And then we set this again the last time. Okay, based. Finally, set the number of lines, font size. Oh, we need to set that shit too? Oh no, wait. LCD function set is the same thing. Yeah, we do that too. Okay. Turn the display on with no cursor or blinking default. LCD display on. What are we? Let's open this in a new tab. LCD display on is 04. Does that make sense? We will check. Set display 04. Yeah. And the other two have to be 0, right? Cursor off 0, blink off 0. Okay, we have 2 1, so in our case that would be funny stuff. Then we have display control 08. Okay, so we would have an F there because we turn everything on. We can also, of course. Why do we have an 8 there? Of course nothing is working. Bro, who was cooking here? Oh no, wait, we want C, because we want blink off and this cursor off for some reason. Let's just try it this way and then check if we can change it later. And the next command this guy does is display control clear. We do a clear. Oh, we need to wait after the clear, right? Okay, important. Then we have the entry mode set. Initialize default text direction for Romance languages. Does this guy mean Roman or Latin? There's no way Romance languages is an actual Romance language. Bruh, that's an actual term. As Latin or Neo-Latin. We call them bruh. Me reading romance books. either actually just German or English. Okay, let's see. Entry left and entry shift dec... What, shift decrement? Oh, I know what this is. What the fuck are we doing? We're doing 06. Entry left is 02. Shift decrement is okay, we need a 3, so... No, decrement 0, so... Wait, 6 is correct. Right? Oops, that was the wrong button. Entry mode set. What's entry mode set? That should be a 4. Entry mode set 4, yes, okay, 6 is correct. So we just had this and the delay changed. Let's see if we fucked this up somehow. Okay, I can't see anything. Nice. Let's press the reset button. Nothing is happening. Unless they mean French. I don't know, in Romance language. True. Me just, wait, what? German being considered a Romance language is also pretty funny. Okay, can we load this? No? Okay, let's just try again. Come on, I believe in you. Believe in you that believes in me. Do it, load. Why? I just muted myself. That was the wrong button. Why do I have a mute button on my keyboard down here? That's the first button you always hit on accident. Okay, we will try again. Come on. I don't think this is working, guys. Just a suspicion, though. Bruh. What the fuck is happening? Oh. Yeah, I think that worked. Okay, let's see. Can we upload this? Hello world. Okay, that is working. Now if we upload this, because we are funny like that. Nothing happened. Do we use a clear? What happens if we comment this out? Oh, it will actually clear. Well, this is not good. Wait, 16.1. What does 16.1 mean? Hold on. Where's my thing? 16.1 lines? Wait. We have 2 lines. We're being scammed. Let's see. Do we get hello world? Oh. Oh. Wait. 1 line? There's no way this is the problem, right? Chat. Chat, we are getting scammed. I thought this was a 2-line display. Which of these? 1 line. N. So we need to flip that bit in the function set. So wait, which one is it? I forgot. 3. So in our case, not 8, but 0. I want my replace button back. Okay, listen. You guys know how Vim works, yeah, right? You have like your keys, and usually you have like JKL or something for like the up, down, left, right? Problem is, my keyboard doesn't have that. So I remapped all of these to NRTD. Problem is, R is the replace button. And when I just want to change one number, this button is really useful. And I can't use it for that anymore. So I need a new way to do that. Anyone have any button preferences? That wasn't it. I need to copy this first. Okay, it still doesn't do anything. Paste. But this is suspicious that 2 lines doesn't work. Wait, what? It's gone. But why isn't it gone when I do it? Huh? How come? Now when I do this, let me compile, let me copy, let me run. It's not gone. Okay, this is very weird. I do not want to do that. Let me try again. Okay, did I forget something? Set everything to low. No, to output. Wait, if I press reset, does the LED blink for a second there? I don't know. I think so. Pin mode out. Okay. Then we just wait for 50 milliseconds, which we also do. Pull both of these pins low, which we also do. We pull all of the 3 pins low actually. Then we, since we're on 8-bit mode, we send this for... Honestly, I maybe just copy the timings over here. I don't know why. But I don't think that's gonna be a difference. Huh. And then we have the command for a 4th time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we do the display thing. 0C. Then we do the right command for clear. Did I mess up the clear What? Clear display 01. What is our clear doing? Command clear display. And then wait for 2 milliseconds. We wait for 20. That should be irrelevant, right? And we have the right command for 06. Then we had to do some other stuff that's probably irrelevant. But if it makes us feel better, I can... That was the wrong one. Oh, actually, let's do this too. What the fuck? This button, thank you. Compile, copy, send. No, that did not work. Is this a timing issue? What the fuck? What? Is the delay not doing anything maybe? Hold on, let me get my oscilloscope. We're gonna do some deep dive. Okay, we're about to get serious. There you go. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, there's a bunch of cables that we do not need. Yep, just put it on the pile on the desk to the other cables. Okay. Now we need to Can I get both of these on camera somehow? Hold on, let me drink something. Bro, some of these head positions for my model are weird. Okay, let's turn this on. Get our... Wait, where's my... Shouldn't I have like a grabber for this? Nope, I found it. I found my grabber. Okay, now let's see. Which one of these cables do we want to check? Probably the enable pin, right? Actually, we can grab it here, I think. Ooh. Paste. Now we need ground. This is ground. I have decided... Ooh, I don't actually know if this is ground. Hold on. Which one of these is ground? You are not ground. Neither is this one. God damn it, none of these are ground. Gonna have to bend this over here and clamp it to this thing, maybe? Come on. I believe in you. Oh, that's hard. Oh, god damn it. I need my thumb to press this open. Okay, let's see. What is our level saying over here? Now we want the trigger to be... Now let's try with auto. Which one is this? I think this is channel 2. And when we press the reset button, that doesn't work. Why is this not registering anything? Single. Bruh. Bruh. Bruh, bruh, bruh. Wait. Oh no, it's channel 1, I'm stupid. My bad, guys. Oh, 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 oh. How do I zoom out? That's not it. There has to be a way to zoom out. I know it. Oh, this one probably. Why can't I tap it? What is FFT? Nobody knows. Brothers. What is happening? How far can I zoom out for this? Actually, how can I zoom out? Oh, this is how I zoom out. I forgot. Yep, nope, how about not seconds, but like 100 milliseconds now. 20 milliseconds. Yeah. 50 milliseconds. 50 milliseconds. Now let's see. You know what? That's my bad, guys. Apparently 10 is the maximum. Why? I know this looks beautiful. Maybe normal mode helps. Let's see. I don't think that will help. Okay, we do change the pin. At least that happens. Can we? Hold on, I need to check something. Let us do something funny. Simply... What the fuck? Hello, can I? Okay. Now we just do while... You're typing with this stuff in front of me is annoying. True, while 1. Wrong bracket. Port B, I believe. Equal, no. This one equals port, Jesus Christ, port B. Fuck. What? The V was missing. Okay, nice. Now if we reset this, Guys, we might have the wrong fucking... wrong fucking pin. That would explain everything. Okay, why is this the wrong pin? I was so sure it was the right pin. What's the pin, I'll say? Port B0. Huh? Do I have to 0x01? I have to do this. Bro. I'm losing it. You guys see this, right? Oops. That's not good. Connect to ground, please. There you go. But this thing does not trigger for some reason. It really should though. I don't see why not. What? Oh my god. I don't know what the fuck was happening. At least this is working now. Okay, we got this. This is working. Just a little bit of a shaky contact apparently. Wait, what the fuck? Why is it shaky though? Is it just this thing attached wrong? We get this thing around this end. Okay, no, this is not shaky anymore. Oh yeah, this is... We do be needing the ground. Okay, so this does something. That is good to know. At least our pin is working, you know? Can I need to move this closer so I have space for my hands. So I can use my keyboard. There we go. How far did we delete stuff like this far? Actually, this is also gone. Okay, so over here. Read, write, low. Yes. Do I need to set as high? I don't think so. Delay microsecond 1. Let's check what the fuck they are doing. Send command, was it right? Or just command? Command and then send. We just pull everything low and then we write the 8 bits. And for that we just set our register. Can I pulse enable? Then we put it low, wait for 1 microsecond, pull it high, and then put it low again. Right. Then we delay for 100 microseconds. Okay, so far I don't see what the fuck the issue would be. Okay, we are now pulled low. If I do this for single, no, normal maybe. Can I change this? Why is the trigger so low? Move up. What do you mean 5 volts per divider? How many volts do we have? Alright, never mind, hold on. What's actually the setting on this? I don't know. Let's just leave it at 10 and hope. Two volts per divider. Come on. Oh. Then of course I need to pull the trigger lower. And pull this thing up. Oh, we got a pulse, we got a pulse. We got a pulse, it's alive. Wait, how much is that? 200 nanoseconds per divider we have. 4. So I have 1 millisecond. That is 1 microsecond. What is our datasheet saying for write operations? TW. No, it's not TW, is it? No, it is TW. Yeah, we are fine. We have 4 times that. What is TH2? Oh, that's for the hold time. Oh. And data setup time. So we need to hold it for longer, but I'm pretty sure we do. Right? We just don't change it back. So it is holding. So I don't think it's a problem with the type of the types. Oh, is it? Is this actually setting? No, just bigger than. Huh. So we are following what this guy is, but ours doesn't work for some reason. Sassy Baka, was very suspicious. Very, very suspicious, huh? I want to press this button again, it is funny. Okay, no. Let's check this one again. If we comment this part out, right? And we send this. Display is clear. Why is the display clear? A better question is, why is it not clear if I do it? Okay, this one should print hello world. Yes, okay. Liquid crystal begin. This is the thing. This is the thing. Everything's set to output. Yes, it is. This was the wrong button. It's getting too late. Is for some reason not now, it's FF. Everything is out. DDRD, right? I'm not making this up. D 0 to 7, yes. And everything is low at the beginning, which I don't know what this is, probably low. This is okay, unset, undefined, nice. Oh, right bits. Oh no. Yeah, the function set, which we also do. Should we just try to do the same delays as this guy? So 4, 5, for this. No, wait. This. And this is... what was it? 150? 150. 150. Okay, base. Now let's say command delay is send. We don't. Oh, right, 8 bits. Oh, pause it anyway, god damn it. No, 100. We're already doing that, right? 100. Right, I don't need the delay in the first. Let's just leave it. There's no way this works now. Yep, that would be stupid. Okay, good. I was worried there for a second. I don't understand. This has to be 30, right? I'm not making this up. We have 1 line 8-bit mode and 5 8 dots. So 8-bit mode is 1 0, 1 9 is 1 0, 5 8 dot is 1 0. So this wait, no, function set is 2 0, so 3 0. 3 0 3, yeah. Am I stupid? Hello? Then O3 OC for where's my 1 2 3 and 4th time without any delays. 1 2 3 4th time. Then we start with display control is display on, cursor off, blink off. And display. Display on, cursor off, blink off. 4 0 OX4. And display is display on. We already have display on. Awesome. Okay, good job, bro. Then we have LCD display control, which is where is it? There. 08. So 9A 9ABC OC. Okay. Do we have any delays that I'm ignoring over here? No. No. Okay. Cool story, bro. Then we have clear, which is just sending this and then delaying for 2000 microseconds. So 2 milliseconds. I don't think this is the problem, but let's just do that. And after that we have the last command. It is entry left and this thing. Are we not clearing correctly for some reason? LCD clear display, which is LCD 01, which is also 01 for us. And then the last command, which I don't even know if that matters. I don't know what's going on. We're literally doing the same thing. I didn't mess up the registers. You could see that. E high, E low. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's right, RAM. Is this for some reason setting the wrong data? That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. Like, there's no enginess or something, right? Let's see, what kind of weird data are we sending? We have 3333, so let's just test if we are actually sending that. We don't actually touch the upper part after that. So this is the upper part, so okay, let me get on camera. This should be the one. Oh god. Okay, right, this is the one. Compile, copy, send. Oh, what the fuck is this one doing, bruh? Why are we going up? Hello? Okay, this isn't looking good. Why is this not changing? Hold on. Are our data pins broken? What? Why are our data pins not working? Why is it getting pulled up like this? Is it on the... Hello? Camera? Is this still there? Are we still online? YouTube isn't complaining, Twitch doesn't seem... Okay. No, kick is down for some reason. Nice one, bro. Let me refresh kick. Is that my problem or is that kick's problem? Oh no, we are actually online. Okay. Like I might... Oh, I wasn't touching the pin. That explains it. Okay, let's reset. Okay. Wrong direction. How many nanoseconds are we talking? Oh, we're talking milliseconds. What? This part? No, eh? 500? No. Yes, milliseconds. Let's try this one. Oh, we are actually just pulling it up and then eventually pulling it down after... Hold on, what's that? 4 minutes, 4.5? After like about 5 milliseconds, we will pull that back down. Let's see. Yo, this is on point, bro. Okay, let's check the second one. God, I need a better way to do this. Actually, I do have a better way to do this. Okay. This pin. This isn't 5 milliseconds. What? Oh, it is 5 milliseconds. I'm stupid. I touched the screen. Which for touch screen means you do something. Okay, this one is the correct thing. Where were we? 1, 2, 3. Wait, no, this should stay 0. The whole time. Should not be anything happening. Yeah. Okay, let's see, what else do we have? We have a 0C, which will just be online for like a couple of microseconds, I think. Let's see, what does a C mean? C means the last two pins, 8 and 4. So this pin. Okay, based. 400 microseconds. This one. Also 400 microseconds. And then we have... Oh, this pin looks like it should... Oh no, it should also... damn it. I'm slipping. Also 100 microseconds. Wait, what? What? Why is this not doing anything? 06 is bit 2 and 4, right? 2 and 3. Wait, is the pin... God damn it, can we stay on target? Thank you. Pin 1. Wait, pin 1 is also not doing anything. Or did I? Oh, I messed this up, I touched the screen. No, pin 1 isn't doing anything, that's not good. Why are you not doing anything? Oh my god. Pin 3 is doing something, but pin 1 and 2 aren't. Oh, are they getting blocked by the USB thing? I'm sure that's it. Oh my god, that's not the problem. are dude pin 0 and 1 disabled. I need these to get back to correct pin output. If you want to disable them for other users. What? Okay. How do we fix that? Wait, does this guy fix this? He has to, right? Touch the first pin and upload. Wait, what? Why is he not using these pins? Wrong direction. Oh, he is using these pins. Multiple times. What? Oh, for the hello world. Hold on, let me get that the fuck out of there. And get this thing on a pin. Let's see. Okay, we are using it 2 times. Why are we using it 2 times? Let me check. Yeah, I can't explain that one. 2 times is 1 time too much. Also, this pin should only be used 1 time. How are we doing here? It just ends up being high. What? Are we looking at different? Hey. Hey. Oh, he might not be actually setting this bit for either function shift. I don't think that's it. Is it? No, that's not it. What's the other thing again? Entry mode set. Oh, he sets it for this. Entry mode set. Begin. Command entry mode set and SCD entry shift decrement, which in this case enable shift for the entire display. Moving direction. What? What are we doing? Hold on. Entry left and shift decrement. Entry left is 2, shift decrement is 0, so it should be a 2. Entry left and then Entry mode set. That should make it 0. Am I losing it? Are we not using 8-bit mode for some reason? Wow, huh? Sir? Sir, what is going on? LCD entry left is 02. Entry shift decrement is 0. And then entry mode set is 4, so it's 6. Right. Then we just call command. And this sends the value blah blah blah. Write 8 bits. And we write every pin wait. Shift I. There's no way, right? Hold on, if we have oopsie. No, that doesn't even make sense. That wouldn't even make sense, bro. That wouldn't even make sense. Be 1-1. That would look like this. No, it is 0. Look like this. So we have I, and we in this first. You go into which bit? Oh yeah, 0. Right. No, this is not the problem. We are not fucking around with endianness. Funny. I don't know why you do this. Why is this high at the end? This just does not make sense to me. Okay, this thing needs to be high at the end. This I understand. You're high at the end. Now this part. Oh, it's not high at the end. Okay, never mind. I'm not stupid. But I am, because I can't read my oscilloscope. Why is everything high at the beginning? That's the real question here. That's what I want to know. Let's see, we have everything. We pull these all to low. Apparently all of the other ones are high. Which is funny. You know what? Hold on. Do we pull them before or after the wait? I don't know. Let's just... that doesn't make sense. Wait, no, this doesn't make sense. Wait, this does it? 5 milliseconds. This could make sense. Hold on. Chat, I'm cooking. Compile, copy. With this. Okay. Do funky stuff. Alright, we still haven't found a way to actually enable these pins. Yeah, that might be the problem, actually. Wait. Huh? How do I use these pins? Arduino use 0 and 1 pin. Did I click on the correct? You'll be able to use pin 1 as GPIO, however you cannot use pin as GPIO because it has dun 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 dun. The receiver part of this communication can then output normally if you are not using any external modules. Our account cannot be used. This is why they say Uno is set to 13, even though there are 14. Makes absolutely no sense. You can use as normal GPIO as long as you're not using the hardware UART, i.e. if you don't call serial begin. Oh, I need to turn that off, I think. Oh my god, bruh. 80 mega datasheet, please. How do I turn this off? UART. Funny, funny, funny. Initialization. Was that not bootloader stuff? I think it was bootloader stuff or something. Wait, can I... Maybe is it in the normal GPIO pins? IO ports. Okay, funky, funky, funky. General IO pin stuff. Short consists of 3 register bits, as shown, or accessed as... Oh my god, can you stop marking stuff? What is wrong with this program? No, not again. Bruh. Can I get a mouse? A normal mouse? I don't want a pen, I want a mouse to mark. Not comments. Not edit. I'm about to lose it. Text selection tool is grayed out. Why is it grayed out? Bruh. How are they graying out my normal text selection tool? Configuring the pin. Each port pin consists of 3 register bits. DDXN, port and pin XN. Fuck, I need to set pin XN, don't I? Register the DDR bits are accessed at the DDR IO address, port port IO and pin at pin IO. The DD bit in the DDR register selects the direction of this pin. Okay, if DD is written logic 1, the pin is configured as an output pin, which we have. If DD is written logic 0, pin is configured as an input, which we don't have. Port is written as logic 1, then the pin is configured as input pin, and the pull-up resistor is activated. To switch the pull-up resistor off has to be the logic 0 and the pin has to be configured as output pin. The port pins are twice stated when reset conditions become active. If port pin is logic 1, When pin is output pin, the port is driven high and otherwise driven low. Okay. What the fuck does the pin do? Pin XN register. Toggling the pin. Switching. Writing a logic 1 to pin toggles the value of port. Oh, what? What kind of fucking register is that? I can just write this register and then it will just switch another register. Based, actually. Switching between input and output. Don't care about that. Reading pin value. Don't care about that. How do I set this to an... How do I configure this to a normal GPIO pin? Port pin can be read through the pin register bit. I think I need overview, funny stuff, clock generation, external clock, synchronous frame formats, parity bit, init. We want UBBR high for some reason. Set the baud rate, okay. Enable receiver and transmitter. Let's see, enable UCSROB. Oh my god. Register description. UCSR control. Receive data, frame error, data overrun, parity error, double, blah blah blah. RX complete interrupt enable N. Writing this bit to 1 enables interrupt on the blah 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 flag. The user receives, okay, that's interrupt, I don't care. Data register, I don't care. Receiver enable. Writing this bit to 1 enables the receiver. The receiver will override normal port operation when enabled. Transmitter enable. Okay, then you need to set these bits to 0. UCSR it's called. Let's hope I don't break my Arduino with this. UCSR equals which one? Bit 3 and 4, so that's weird. 8 and 1, okay. Oh, I don't know what the other pins are. Can I just... what is not equal? Pretty sure you can do that, but I don't remember how. Oh, I think tilde maybe. That's not... Where's tilde? Come on. Wait, what? Oh, this is tilde. Oh, x18. Yep, nope, tilde was not the correct answer. You know what, just set it to complete 0. I don't want to do that. Maybe there's some important stuff going on. You know, I just say, fuck it. Oh wait, I can UCSR, he doesn't know it. What do you mean you don't know UCSR? Oh, UCSRB. UCSR 0B? What? How many do I have? Zero B? Do I have 1B? Let's see. Okay, 0. I just have 0 apparently. Okay, we will... Why do I feel like this is the wrong compile command? Probably not. Let's see. Oh wait, I need to actually touch this part. Oh, nope, nope. Come on, stay. It changes. Oh my god, it works, it works. This is some bullshit right there. This is some bullshit. He just enabled stuff I didn't know about. Why nobody tell me? Okay, let me... I don't know if I'm allowed to do the Lexan actually, hold on. Okay, now we have this stuff. Now I want to upload my original code again and see if it does override this. It doesn't. Come on, bro. Okay. It still doesn't work. But we have fixed a lot of problems today. So, come on. Let's see, can I fix another one? Can't be that hard, can it? I just have to touch this. Touch this. Oh, no. Press this. This is only on for a very short time. Oh no, actually it's not. I'm just stupid. Okay, this is on until we have... Wait, what the fuck is happening? Why is it off for 5 milliseconds? Delay 50 milliseconds. Okay, it's on for a long time. Then it goes off for about 5 minutes. A bit longer than 5 minutes. Okay, that makes sense. No, that doesn't make sense. Oh no, it does make sense. We wait for the clear. Yes, hold on. Yeah. It does make sense. Not another bit. That also makes sense. Why does the other program do some weird stuff with these pins? Like, look at this. What the fuck is happening over here, huh? What's going on with that? Oh, that's the hello world. I need to comment that one out. My bad, guys. Now upload again. Why does he do it twice? I don't understand. And this one too, I think. Yeah. Does he run begin twice? Wait, what? Hold on. We're just running the initialization twice? I am, aren't I? Oh no. Bro, what? This is fucked up. Okay, time to do some funny stuff. We will just void init void and close. And then we will simply init and init. Oh no. Wait. But the begin does the 50 millisecond stuff, right? Wait, it doesn't make sense. Wait, what? We run the begin once, but we don't do the 50 millisecond delay afterwards. Like this constructor calls init, which calls begin, which then waits for 50 milliseconds in the middle. But we don't really do that, do we? Or am I reading this wrong? Oh, I slipped, nope. Go again, mission abort. Okay, we go again. Yeah, no, this doesn't do that. That is kind of weird. I don't know what's going on here. What happens if I do a little bit of trolling? Just do it once. We only get it once. What? What is the delay microseconds? 50,000. It's not doing that. It is just not doing that. What? What? There's not even like an if around this. This is, if you call this functions, you're gonna delay for 50 milliseconds. But we just decided that, nah, actually, you know what? How about we don't? Doesn't feel like it. Now hold on a second. If we just run it once. And we update this with our hello world. Okay. And we comment the begin out and the print out, of course. And then we run it. It still clears. I don't think we have the same library, guys. There is some witchcraft going on, guys. What? What are these pins doing though? Hold on. I wanna see what this one does. This one should pulse a lot. But for like a microsecond. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay, I have decided that none of this actually makes any sense. And I will go to sleep now. Because none of this makes any sense. Stay hyped for the artwork. It will be coming soon. It will look amazing. Okay, throw that away. Turn off the camera. And, well, oops, don't throw everything against the mic. Well, yeah, take care. Love you guys. Sleep tight. And everything, you know. Bye bye.